If you want to take a screenshot on CMF Phone 2 Pro, you have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. For example, we can press power button and volume down in order to immediately capture the full screenshot. There is also the gesture screenshot, which needs to be enabled to be able to use it. So first we need to go to settings, scroll all the way down and choose special features. After that, open gestures, and finally over here we have gesture screenshot. And there we go. Over here we have 3-finger swipe. We need to make sure that this option is enabled. Now over here with 3 fingers we can swipe from the top towards the bottom like this to capture the full screenshot. You can also press and hold with 3 fingers anywhere on the screen in order to start selecting the area that should be captured so that you can take only partial screenshot. You can also adjust the cropped area by grabbing by these corners or sides of the screenshot, and then we can press save over here. And besides that, you can also capture a scrolling screenshot, but first we need to open an app or a website where we can scroll. Now we need to capture the full screenshot by using any of the methods that you know, so either the buttons or, for example, by swiping with 3 fingers. And if it's possible to capture the scrolling screenshot, as you can see, we can tap on these 2 arrows. I'm going to show you again. We can tap on these 2 arrows that we have right next to the screenshot, and if you tap on it, then you should be able to select the rest of the area that should be captured. And there we go, and then we can press save over here on the left side. And there is also one more way to capture a screenshot, and that is by going to background apps. So if you open background apps, then you should be able to find this screenshot button over here below the preview. As you can see, if you go to settings, you can also take the screenshot, so you can tap over here in order to immediately open the screenshot. But of course this option allows you to only take screenshots of apps. You cannot use it for the home screen. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.